Hello everybody, Sultz Wolf here, and I'm coming to you from one of my area's biggest event, which is Fandom Con, here at the Emerald Coast Convention Center in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. And boy, I tell you, I am so glad to be back here again for the third year in a row. Now, unlike my past Fandom Con videos, this is much different. This time, I'll be introducing to some of my fellow fursuiters as I go along. And here's one of them right here. And if you look at her, she is so happy to be here, just like I am. So, what's your name?
I'm Alot.
Alot, yeah. You got something to say?
It's going to be great. I'm happy. I'm excited.
Oh, I bet you are. Okay. Well, it's nice to meet you, alright? Alright, thank you very much. Well, folks, she's not the only furry who's around here. I know somewhere out in this crowd are some of my fellow furries. And when I come up to them, I'll introduce you. So I'm going to go find some other fellow fursuiters right now. Well, folks, I did it. Here's another fellow furry who's just come here to Fandom Con. Hello, and what's your name? Tiki. Tiki. That's a cute name for a fellow fur. And you are a panda?
Tanuki.
Tanuki, okay. You got something to say?
I am obsessed with Kool-Aid.
Oh, well that's nice, huh? Okay, I tell you, you got a nice cute fursuit. I tell you. Alright, you have fun. Okay?
Me too.
Well, here's another fursuiter. Time to go out and search for more. Well, folks, I'm here with two more fursuiters who are also here at Fandom Con. And boy, look at them. They are so excited, just as I am. Alright, you sir, what's your name?
Horace.
Horace. Okay, you got something to say?
Not much. Hi, everyone.
That's a good greeting, ain't it?
Yes.
Okay, and you, sir?
Cora.
Cora? And you got something to say?
Hey, everyone.
And that's another greeting. Well, folks, here they are, two more great fursuiters who've made the trip here to Fandom Con, just like me. And boy, they're excited, just as I am. But there's probably more out there, so I'll keep finding them for you. Well, folks, here she is, another great fursuiter here at Fandom Con, and another fursuiter making her second appearance here at this con. Hello, your name? Okay. I guess you're a little shy, huh? Okay. You got anything to say? You having fun? Oh, you bet you're having fun. Okay. Boy, I tell you, she's excited. Boy, I tell you. We all love having fun here at FWA. No question about that. And I'm sure the other fursuiters who I find here will definitely have fun just like we are now. So, I'm going to go find some more. Well, folks, here are two fursuiters from my Pensacon 2015 video. And with a fan and wants a hug. Okay, you already did sniper. And over here.
I'm like slowly trying to get through.
Okay, understand you're a driver.
You know what? You three are fabulous.
Hold on. Hey, do you have something fun to say?
Perfect. We'll get pictures with Callie later.
Well, that was surely fun. Yes, indeed. Well, another fursuiter here. Excited to be here. Just like she was at Pensacon this past year. We're all excited to be here. And there's pretty more than just her. We met a lot earlier on, and there's definitely some more out there. Once again, here at Fandom Con. Also, more fursuiters who made the trip. Right here to my right. Your name? Okay. And you got something to say? Right, I tell you, this is such a great experience. Right? Boy, I tell you, these furries just love seeing you so much. I tell you. I must say, Fandom Con truly is a time-honored event here, and we hope you make it here to meet us fellow furries someday. Well, there's some more furries out there, so I'm still on the hunt, so I gotta go stay on my furry hunt. Here at Fandom Con, I just found another fellow fursuiter. What's your name?
Bucket.
Huh, that's a nice name. You got something to say?
I like boxing.
Oh, okay. Boy, you like to be like Muhammad Ali, don't you? You like boxing.
No, cereal.
Oh, cereal.
Boxing.
Oh, box. That's cool. Well, here I just met a fursuiter from a previous appearance here in this video. Boy, I tell you, this is, I think, the record for the most furries who appeared in a video for an all-fan con, just like this one. Boy, I tell you, records are definitely made to be broken. And well, I'm going to get on the hunt to extend this record, so gotta go. Well, here I am again with 3 more great fursuiters who have just made the trip here to Fandom Con. And let me introduce to them now. You there? What's your name?
Amber.
Amber. You got anything to say?
Not really.
Yeah. And you?
I'm Crystal.
And you have anything to say?
Well, so from having a good time, I'm burning up right now, but other than that, I'm having a great time here at Fandom.
Okay, that's nice. And you, sir?
Theo.
Theo. And you have anything to say?
It's hot.
Oh yeah, boy, it can get so hot. Okay, well folks, here are 3 more fursuiters, and most importantly, congratulate these 2 because they just got engaged, and wish them the best of luck on a great marriage. And I guarantee you, they're going to have many great years together. And well, whether they're married or not, there's still more fursuiters here. So, without further ado, I'm going to go hunt for some more now. Okay. Well, folks, I found another fine fursuiter who's made the trip all the way here to Fandom Con, and here he is. What's your name? I don't see a bag. Wildmark, that's your name. And you got something to say? Well, that deserves a nice good high, doesn't it? Alright. Well, folks, here's another great fursuiter who's made the trip here. Boy, I'm glad she's happy just like I am to be here. Well, I'm on the hunt for other furries who've attended this time-honored convention, so wish me luck. Well, folks, I found another fursuiter, and she's mighty cute right here. Alright, what's your name? Freya. And you have something to say? Woof! Woof. Good one. And I also want to show you something I love to do when I hug a fellow fursuiter. It's called giving a fellow fursuiter some squeeze. When you hug a fursuiter, you say squeeze, like this. Give me some squeeze. Well, folks, that's how you give a fellow furry some squeeze. It's a cute word, and I hope it becomes very mainstream throughout the entire furry fandom because it's so cute.
If you go out,
Aww, what did you do there, kid? Okay. Well, folks, I'm on the hunt for other furries who've made the trip here. So wish me luck. say go for it. Well, folks, Gina here is enjoying everything that Fandom Con has to offer. So am I. And folks, that's my video for Fandom Con 2015. Would you like to be in a video with me and maybe become a veteran just like Gina is? It's real simple. Watch my page on FA or like me on Facebook so that you can get information on how you can be in a video with me and maybe win a badge commission at a con that I may be attending. Gina, I thank you so very much, and I thank all the fursuiters who appeared in my video. And most importantly, thank you for watching. From Fandom Con 2015 here in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, this is Sultz saying thank you and goodbye, everybody.